What's up, YouTube? Curtis here. Today we're going to be cooking some country style boneless ribs, some pork chops, got some squash, some zucchini, some fresh broccoli, some carrots, got some onions cut up in the bag because they stink, they're strong, they're going to be good. And we got our meat, pork chops, and country style ribs. We're going to be doing this in the air fryer, Power XL 10-quart air fryer. Alright, right now I'm going to cut my zucchini, get it ready to go in the steamer, and we're going to cut our squash, and we've already got the onions chopped up. We'll put some carrots in there, and get it steaming. Gonna cook our supper tonight. Hope it's all gonna be good. It usually is, and we love this stuff, and it's good for you. Get the container to put this in for the steamer. Cut up a little squash. Get that baby off there. My wife loves squash. My wife's also a very good cook. She learned from her mother, and cooking the good old-fashioned way. Now my mom, we're going to have her on the show, and we're actually going to do some fried chicken, Mimi's fried chicken. And she still likes to cut up her own chicken. She buys some pieces already, but she usually buys the old-fashioned way, buys the whole chicken, cuts that rascal up, and fries it in that good old grease. And I'm telling you, it's very, very good. Alright, see if we can get this stuff up and ready here. And drop us some carrots in there. Getting it ready to go in the steamer. Gonna break us off some broccoli and get us some broccoli in there. This stuff here is good for you. Let's see here if we can get these old nasty smelly onions open and drop some of them in there. Yeah. Gonna be good. Gonna be good, gonna be good. Kind of mix it up a little bit. Get it ready. Alright, this is the Aroma steamer. It was given to us for a couple of friends of ours, Janet and Doug, and they use it all the time. And I tell you, I didn't think I would like this kind of stuff, but they cooked for us one night, and we had this, and I'm going to tell you what, it was excellent. Alright, we're going to put a little of Mr. Tony's here on there. On these vegetables, put a little hint in there of that stuff. I'll put a little salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, and get her cooking. Okay, I've just sprayed some oil on here. I'm rubbing it in a little bit and put a little Tony's on there. Now I've got a mix that I mix up myself. It's got seasoned salt, garlic salt, Corky's from Memphis, the famous Corky's restaurant. It's got their dry rub, and I've got some sweet apple rub in there, and some Tony's and some meat tenderizer, and I just kind of mixed it up for my flavor, the way I want it to be. So, and you can taste it as you mix it and see if it's what you like. And if it's not, you can add a little bit more to it. And I'll put this on here and rub it in. We'll flip her over. Do it again. Gonna give them a little spray. Rub it in. Now this time I'm going to put this stuff on here first. My rub that I mixed up. Put it on here first. Get it going. Then I'm going to put the Tony's on there. And we're going to rub it in. Okay, in the Power XL you got these racks that you put your food on. And I usually take some Pam cooking spray and spray it to keep everything from sticking on it. And I spray both sides and spray it good. And I spray the tray in the bottom of the Power XL to keep your grease and stuff from sticking on that also. Okay, I've got them in. I've got one pork chop and the 3 ribs on the bottom rack, breaded with panko breadcrumbs, and I've got 2 chops up on the top rack, and we're going to cook them for 21 minutes at 400 degrees, and I'm going to rotate them every 7 minutes. Okay, we just started the steamer. I'm going to start it a few minutes before we start the chops and ribs cooking, and should be ready in about 30 minutes. Okay, they've been in there for 7 minutes. I'm going to pull them out. And rotate them over. And swap the rack. I'll put the chops on the bottom now. And the ribs on the top. Straight. I need to flip these over. I'm going to let it go for another 7 minutes and then I'll swap them over again. Okay, it just finished up. I'm going to bring them out, get them on the table and get to eating. They look good. Man, yeah. Yeah. Here's the 2 that were not breaded. They're going to be good. Alright, there's the finished product right there. Country style pork ribs, boneless, zucchini, squash, onions cooked in the steamer. I'm fixing to taste it. Look at how that juice is. Look at that juice in there. Man. Oh man. That is good. Real good. I'm going to give that plate to my wife. Okay, we're finally done. Fixing to sit down and eat some supper. Panko's breadcrumbs, some done without any breadcrumbs. Country style ribs, boneless, pork chops, steamed squash, broccoli, onions, carrots, and a good old glass of sweet tea from Alabama. Let's see. There's only one way to do it. Almost tastes like grandma's. Good.